Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna test out some Marshall's brush kits, and they have so many. Some are good and some are just like run girl, like they're not good at all. But yeah, like I was browsing to like 3 different Marshalls and I couldn't find good brushes. Like a lot of them were like $3.99, $5, $10, but for some reason I didn't want to take the chance on those that were cheap because, you know, like some of them looked just weird. Like some of them looked like they were just gonna break on you by the minute that you like started. I do have one brush from Marshall's, is this one, and I bought it because it looks really fancy and nice, and it didn't work out for me. It's too flimsy and I pretty much never use this one. I just have it in here because it looks cute, but hopefully these are good. So if you're not part of the Pineapple Squad, then don't forget to join my family and join my Pineapple Squad. And if you haven't noticed, today we're filming with a different camera. I'm actually filming with my vlogging camera because I sold mine and I'm waiting for my new one in the mail, and it's gonna take a while. So for now we're gonna do our videos with this one. But yeah, if you haven't joined, don't forget to join. Hit this video a big thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the tutorial. All right, so these are the ones that I have this one, looks like that, and I got it for $5.99, and the price is good, and how they look, it's really good. Like this looks really nice. And then I also got these, and these are actually a brand, but I've never seen them before. These are the Real Techniques brushes, and it comes with like a sponge, like a weird looking sponge, and it comes with 3 brushes. Hopefully they work. Not all Real Techniques stuff work, to be honest. Trust me, I've seen that. But yeah, these are the 2 that I got. I should have got more, to be honest, to make the video, but these should be good. Yeah, so we have 6 brushes and a beauty blender to test out, see if they're good. I've never seen this in stores, so that's why I picked it up, because I don't know if it's a hit or miss, and then that's why they didn't post it in the stores. But yeah, we're gonna check these 2 out. Okay, so I have my eyebrows done, and now we're just gonna go in with a primer. I'm telling you, I must have like a sickness or something going on because everything falls from my hands. I don't know. Alright, so we're gonna go in with the first one. I'm gonna use this one right here to apply my foundation. And I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation today. Alright, let's see. It looks a little small, but look how nice this brush is. Look at that. How nice. Looks really good. Alright, so we're gonna apply our foundation. I like how it's applying my foundation. It actually looks really nice. I feel like it is absorbing a lot of foundation though, but it's actually not bad. It's actually not bad at all. I just prefer like a harder brush, like harder bristles. I don't even know if that's how you call it, to be honest. I have no idea. But yeah, I prefer one that's like harder, like less flimsy. But for the price, this is good. Are you crazy? Are you kidding me? It's really good. It actually did it pretty fast. It turned out really good. I actually really do like how foundation looks. I just wish that, what the heck is this? Ugh. I just wish that it was a little like harder, like my Morphe brush, but it's actually really good. Like it's really good, so I like it. All right, so now I'm just gonna apply my concealer, and we're gonna pop open this one right here. I'm gonna try to blend my concealer with this one. That's the first thing I thought when I saw this kit. I was like, oh my god, that one would be actually good to blend out your concealer. So that's what I'm gonna do. But let me go wet the sponge first. Look how nice the sponge is. Alright, so this is how big the sponge got. I don't think it got that big. So, it is squishy. Ooh, it feels nice. It doesn't feel like the other Real Techniques sponge, like the orange one. I don't like the orange one. Am I the only person that doesn't like the orange one? It's so, like, where is it? This one. I literally have it in here, and I don't use it anymore. Like, it's too hard for me. So this one feels nice, like squishy. All right, so we're gonna apply concealer. I'm going to use my Nars Radiant Creme Concealer. Yep. I'm going to use this one. I really do like how this camera looks. Crazy. Alright, so I'm going to start blending it with this brush. And this is how this one looks. It actually blends it out good, but I can see like the concealer creasing a little, and the only way that I could do that is with a beauty sponge. So I have to go over it with a sponge, but it looks pretty good. Alright, because I let my concealer stay on for too long and it dried, I need to go in with a sponge, which this one feels really good. So this one is definitely a good sponge if you're looking to use something rather than a beauty blender. Ooh, I like it. This is really, really nice. It's really soft too. I didn't think that the Real Technique brushes will be this soft just because the other one is so hard, but I like this one. Alright, so now we're gonna bake. I'm gonna try my powder with this, my baking powder. And I'm gonna use my Rimmel loose powder. So whoa. Alright, so I don't like this brush to bake. I don't know. I don't like it. So I'm not gonna bake with that brush. Oh, I didn't even show you guys the brush. This is how it looks like. Looks really nice. Really pretty. But it didn't work out for me for baking, so never mind. Guys, so I didn't notice that this kit actually, like, both kits bring a fan brush. So these are the two fan brushes right here. I can show you. Let me see. I'm gonna apply blush real quick. So let me find my blush. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This one right here. And I don't know, let me see. I'm not gonna use this one. I'm not a fan of fan brushes, but I'm gonna give the Real Techniques one a chance just because it's so hard. And you guys know I like when brushes are hard. So I'm just gonna take it in. Like that. I don't know how I feel about applying my highlight with the brush. It actually put it good. It actually applied it really nicely. But fan brushes are not my favorite. I don't even think it matters what brand you are, because I have other fan brushes, but nah. Alright, so I'm gonna now try the next brush, and this is the Precision Beauty Setting Brush. Why is it setting brush? I can't set on dry with this. I'm gonna use it to highlight with the other side of my face. So this is how it looks like. It looks like almost like the Anastasia highlighting brush. So I'm gonna take it like that. See, this is the kind of highlight brush that I like. Yeah. Hello. Alright, yeah, this is the kind of highlighting brush that I like. Not this. Not this. Okay, so this is the video that I had for you. Thank you so much for watching. And these brushes are actually really, really good. The only ones that I didn't like are the fan brushes, but nobody likes fan brushes. Like, I hardly see people on YouTube using fan brushes, so you know. But yeah, these brushes are really good. I'm actually really impressed with these three brushes. I think these three were my favorite. This one applied my highlight really good. This one blended on my concealer good. It's just that I waited too long to blend it out and my concealer kind of dried, and when it dries it's like really hard to blend. But I'm gonna try it out tomorrow, and I'm gonna try not to have it like dry, you know. And then this one is really good quality. I am so shocked. This one did blend out my foundation really good, but I think I'm gonna use it to blend out my concealer just because it's so nice, and like it's kind of small. It's not as big as this one, so I think it'll be really good to blend out a concealer. So I'm gonna try that. It feels good under the eyes, so I'm gonna try that tomorrow. But yeah, this is the video that I have for you guys. These brushes, if you see them at Marshall's, grab it. Grab the kit that brings this one, and this one. Definitely is $5 just for these three. Like, are you kidding me? And then the Real Techniques pack was $7, which is a steal because you guys know that these brushes are $17, so it's really good. And then this sponge is actually good. It's so squishy. It doesn't feel like it has like something in the middle. It's actually a really good sponge, so I definitely recommend it. And what else? I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.